Would you ever imagine a Cadillac transforming into a luxury motorhome? Well, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Motorhome turns that dream into a reality, and it's every bit as opulent and powerful as you'd expect. Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're taking you inside a masterpiece that merges classic American prestige with cutting-edge technology. Step through the automatic sliding door, and you're greeted by a living space that feels more like a private jet lounge than an RV. Would your eyes go first to the handcrafted leather seating with diamond stitching, or the ambient lighting that glows softly around the room? Every surface exudes Cadillac's signature craftsmanship, from the polished wood veneers to the brushed aluminum accents. The lounge features a 70-inch OLED entertainment display, a 3D surround sound system by Bose, and even an integrated AI assistant that responds to your voice commands. The kitchen area feels like something out of a luxury penthouse, equipped with a dual-zone induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave convection combo, and even a hidden espresso bar. The bedroom suite features a king-size adjustable bed, smart climate control, and soundproofing for total tranquility. And in the rear, the full bathroom brings a spa-like experience with marble-style surfaces, rainfall shower, and even a heated floor system. Doesn't that sound like the kind of travel luxury only Cadillac could deliver? Now let's talk design. On the outside, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Motorhome combines elegance and presence in a way no other RV can. The massive chrome grille carries Cadillac's new illuminated crest, flanked by vertical LED headlights that flow into sleek, sculpted lines. The two-tone metallic paint glistens under sunlight, while the air-sculpted body ensures aerodynamic performance despite its size. Can you imagine pulling up to a luxury resort and turning heads everywhere you go? Add in flush door handles, panoramic windows, and retractable steps that glide out as you approach. It's a statement of pure sophistication on wheels. Under the skin, Cadillac didn't just build a showpiece, they built a performer. Power comes from a hybrid V8 system paired with electric assist, delivering over 600 horsepower with smooth, near-silent acceleration. The advanced air suspension ensures a magic carpet ride, absorbing bumps like they don't exist. And with all-wheel drive and adaptive torque control, this luxury land yacht moves with confidence through highways and mountain passes alike. Of course, it's loaded with safety and driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, lane guidance, 360-degree cameras, and even semi-autonomous highway driving. Wouldn't you love to glide across the country with that kind of effortless control? And now, the price. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Motorhome isn't for everyone. The base model starts around $500,000, but with the full luxury package, custom interiors, and extended chassis options, it can easily reach $950,000 or more. But what you're buying isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. To wrap it up, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Motorhome represents the pinnacle of American luxury travel. It's bold, elegant, and engineered for those who refuse to compromise. Whether you're cruising down the coast or parking under the stars, it delivers a level of comfort and class that few vehicles on Earth can match. So, would you take this rolling mansion for your next cross-country adventure, or keep it as your private mobile estate? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And before you go, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more exclusive car and motorhome reviews. Because next time, we're taking you inside another unbelievable luxury motorhome that might just outshine even this Cadillac masterpiece.